Hi. So in our last video, we saw how to declutter our Gmail inbox by shifting all Google Classroom emails under a dedicated label, which I named G Classroom. There is a little problem associated with that. While filtering those emails, I selected an option which said skip the inbox and archive it. This option, when selected, does not send these emails to your inbox, which is what basically keeps it decluttered. But as a consequence, Gmail also does not send you notifications for those emails. If you want notifications for those emails, and I repeat, if you want notifications from Gmail when a Google Classroom email arrives and it still goes under that G Classroom label, then you'll have to follow the steps I'm going to give you. I'm going to show this on an Android device, but if you use an iOS device, the steps should be similar. So go to your Gmail app, then click on these three bars and scroll right down to Settings. Once you scroll down to Settings, all you have to do is you have to select the email account which you're interested in which you have that label. For me, it's this one. And then I scroll down in this. All of these things are not important to me. I scroll down to the notifications section and I click on Manage Labels. There are many names here, many labels. I'll scroll down till I find the label of interest, which is G Classroom, right? So I click on G Classroom, it says not synced. Once I click on G Classroom, what I have to do is I'll have to sync these messages. So I'll click on this and select last 30 days. That's enough for us. Now selecting this option allows us to enable notifications for this label. For that, we will select this option named Label Notifications. This is an important step. Remember to select this option. And we are essentially done here. This video can end right now, but I want to add something. Even after following these steps, if you are still not getting notifications for Google Classroom emails, you will have to come back to these settings and you'll also have to select notify for every message. That is the second option. Remember, do this only when you are not getting notifications even after completing the first part of this guide. Don't do it otherwise. If you're not getting, please select this option. And then you can go back and lead your life the way you used to. That's all.